Eliminate the hassle and control the mess when draining the cooling system in your Duramax with the XDP Radiator drain pipe. Up until now, you had to remove the lower radiator hose to drain your cooling system. The XD328 simply installs in line of the lower radiator hose and provides you with an easy way to drain the coolant. Each drain pipe is CNC machined from a billet aluminum construction and anodized for looks and durability, and the built-in ball valve allows you to drain the system with just the flip of a lever. The XD328 comes ready to install with 2 high-quality T-bolt clamps. To find out more about the XDP Duramax Radiator drain pipe, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.